Hi, everyone. Today we're going to talk about laundry rooms, and I can't wait to show you mine. So, come on into the laundry room. And the first thing I'm sure you'll notice is the wallpaper. I love this wallpaper, and I can't take credit for it in its initial idea. I was working with a friend of mine, Liz, as a designer for when we were building the house, and she gave me just such great input and guidance. And she said, "We need to do wallpaper in your laundry room, and it needs to speak to the outdoors," which is we kind of live in a wooded area. We've got a lot of birds. She sent me this wallpaper, and I was like, yes, 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 we have to do it. Now, funny story though about Ron. When I told him that we were going to spend on wallpaper for the laundry room, and maybe this is your reaction, he said, "The laundry room? You're going to put wallpaper in your laundry room?" I said, "Trust me, honey, we don't want it everywhere, but it's going to make a difference. It's going to be beautiful." So the really funny story about the wallpaper is, as we were building, we'd come over virtually every day and check on progress. Well, the day that this wallpaper got installed, Ron made his way upstairs before I did. And I'm downstairs looking around, and I hear him yell down, "Best room in the house." And he loved the wallpaper. I'll talk to you a little bit about how I wanted this room designed. It's not a huge laundry room. We see online a lot of times people have two washers and two dryers and loads and loads of counter space. And I wasn't sure that I wanted to use up that much square footage in our home just for the laundry room. Because I don't know if you're like me, but I've spent a lot of time in laundry rooms that are in the basement of our building in New York City. Or there was a season where I was schlepping my laundry down the street to go to the laundromat in New York. So doing laundry isn't always an experience for the soul, but I do enjoy the way we created the space. I just simply wanted a counter if I needed it to do a little bit of ironing or a little bit of stain cleaning, which I do quite a bit of that. Needed a sink, and we matched our hardware in here to the hardware that we did, and the choices we made, all Delta products throughout the whole house. Then I asked my builder if he would build a counter above the washer and dryer so that I could actually do the folding here. It's a little high for the girls to reach, so they usually dump their clothes in their room to fold, but eventually they'll be tall enough to reach it. I do wish, if I had to do it over again, I would put the bottom drawers. And by the way, we got our washer and dryer from Lowe's. I went in and talked to one of the guys in the department. He told me all about washers and dryers. They were very affordable. They come in, I think, two different colors. And of course, they upgrade them every year if you're looking for a washer dryer. Talk to the person at the appliance center. Really, really helps. They know wash cycles. They are going to ask you, how do you use your washer and dryer? He really helped me a lot on detergent choices, different things like that. But I wish I would have put the shelves or the drawers underneath because I'm short, and I would have loved to be able to engage with my washer and dryer just a little bit more on my level. Now, what would that mean for the counter? I probably would have done something different over here and extended the counter and done my folding on this side. Just a thought, but one of those things that I have pondered a couple times. And if you're working on a laundry room, laundry space, you may want to consider your height and where you're going to really interact with your laundry room. I don't interact much with the washer dryer, put them in, take them out, but I do interact a lot with this counter space. And so I wanted a lamp because I do not like, it's just a personal thing, when I'm in a room at night, I don't like overhead lighting. I want it to be cozy. I want it to feel nurturing. Small little luxuries make a big difference, I always say. So I have a lamp in here, and then up here is where we dry. We air dry all of our athletic wear, our good nightgowns, anything that's made from Lycra. We don't want to put it in the dryer because over time it really breaks down those fibers. So we hang up a lot. The girls use a little step ladder when they do their hanging, and it just really works for us. So it's small, it's efficient, but it's really, really helped. And I've liked most of the choices that we've made. Now, lest you think that this room is always this clean, take a look behind my door. This, and by the way, this was a surprise to me one day. I'm like, what is this pile of clothes? And then I was told by sweet Isabella that this is the giveaway pile. So some of you, my friends, are recipients of some of my hand-me-downs or when they don't fit the twins anymore. But this is the pile. It should not be piled like this, but it'll eventually get folded and it will get given or donated or something like that. So I let them have a pile like this. It hides behind the door so I don't have to look at it, but it serves a good purpose. And then, yeah, I think everything else is pretty self-explanatory. Let me show you though, one thing that I did decide on: placement of the laundry room in relationship to the other rooms. So again, thinking in terms of how do you use your laundry room? Not just what inspires me online, oh, that's beautiful, or this is beautiful, but how do we use our laundry room? And how much time does it take me to fold and put away? So I wanted it in the center of the bedrooms. So right in here is our master closet. I'll show that to you later. And then the girls' rooms are here and right down the hall. So anytime I'm doing laundry, it's only mere minutes, if that, to put clothes away. And the girls now, that's one of their responsibilities, is to put their own clothes away after they fold. But for me, I want to grab it and put it away and be done. I don't like breaking in phases of my laundry. We're just getting detailed here. I like to do it all in one swoop. Another thing that's helped me elevate my joy when it comes to laundry is doing it in one afternoon and getting it all done. For Ron and my laundry, like I said, the girls are starting to do their own, but I just like to get it over with in one swoop and be able to focus on other things. So I'd love to hear decisions you've made about your laundry room. Maybe you can comment here in the comments and we can get some great ideas shared. The last thing I'll say about laundry is I read a book the other year, and it's by, oh goodness, the name's gonna slip my mind. I'll put it here in the link. But it was all on how to do laundry. I love this book. It helped me so much. It's a reference for me. I think I have it out on my shelf in the loft. And it teaches you how to do your laundry. Like, I never again use full cycle. I only do speed wash. He says that the machines are so advanced nowadays that no one needs a full long cycle. It'll get plenty clean on the short cycle. You save water and you save time. Things like that I learned, and I really fancy that. Read a book on how to do laundry and you'll love your laundry days, or at least get through them even better. So that's our laundry room. Let me know if you have any questions, and I hope it got you a little bit inspired today.